Color your canvas using your experiences, using your cultural heritage, and make things visible. And this is Filipinism, which makes art Filipino. We have been exhibiting in the whole world, in the whole Europe, including Canada, for the last 20 years. I've been bringing artists in Europe, and now we are in Morocco for the very first time, which we called it Biyahe. Biyahe is a journey. For us, is learning and learning culture of other people, learning the environment, and we would like to know which art in Morocco will we which will inspire us later on, because as an artist like them, we got always inspiration, not only from what we have, what we experience, what we learn, but we learn also from outside the Philippines. We would like to, because we have a global art, we have the so-called contemporary art, and it's very important for us that regional contemporary art in relation with our cultural heritage. That's what we paint is we ourselves. We make visible things visible. And this is our theme, this is our aim, to raise awareness to the people, the things they are used, that they have to realize that the importance brought to them. No, you know, every artist has their own genre. They have their own style in which they express Filipinism, what makes us Filipino. We have different colors, we have the different style, but we express what Filipinism, what makes us Filipino. So before coming here, we have to read it. Because I don't know if our art would be accepted, really, or recognized by the Moroccan people. For me, it's not learning. For me, I want the people, the viewer, to understand what we paint, and then we are there to explain. So, understanding it's better than learning first. This is the only exhibition now, and we hope that we can exhibit more in the coming years. We are planning that because we are planning to have a collaboration, because one of the staff in Abado is an artist, and we are talking about the collaboration. And we will be very glad because we will be learning more about the Moroccan culture.